Hi loves, today let's make birthday cake red velvet. So this is so good and it's so tasty. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. In a big mixing bowl, put about 30 grams unsalted butter, melted, 1/4 cup of granulated sweeteners, and whisk until lightened. Now add 6 large eggs, room temperature. And then whisk it until well combined. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and red food coloring. So it's up to you how much you want to put on your butter to make it red. Now add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1 1/4 cup of almond flour, and then mix all the ingredients. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and then mix it. So our oven should be preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. Now prepare your baking pan with parchment paper and slightly grease it. So this is 8 inches baking pan, and pour the red velvet butter. Top it and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Now let it cool completely. Now in another bowl, put 200 ml of heavy cream or all-purpose cream, and then whisk until thick. So it should be cold. Now add 3 tablespoons of sweeteners and 250 grams of cream cheese. And then mix it. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then mix it again. Now set aside. So let's prepare our cake. So I already sliced it into 2 pieces. So add the cream cheese frosting on the top of the first layer. So be generous on it. Now add the second layer and top it with the cream cheese frosting. And cover all over the cake. So I'm run of red food coloring, that's why my cake is not that so red. Now get the remaining frosting and add some red food coloring on it. And then mix it. and put on the piping bag with nozzle. And then pipe it into your cake. So it's up to you how you designed it. So I just made it like this. Now add some shredded cheddar cheese on the top. So my cheese is less fat on it. So that's why it's so light. And that's it. You refrigerate it before you serving it. So I hope this recipe will help you in your keto journey and satisfy your cravings into red velvet cake. This is so moist and so good. And I love it, and Judith love it. I hope my family can one day, when I'm in the Philippines, they can taste my baking. I really miss my family. I hope this pandemic will end so I can be with my family. So that's it. I will post on the description box the macros of each slice of the cake. So it depends how many slices you want. You can slice it up to 12 pieces. So thank you and God bless. Love you all.